Okay, we have just finished a little bit of food with Jills.
Yes.
We have left her there because we haven't. We dumped her because we have an appointment at COUTURE because someone is now totally into COUTURE. Check out her unboxing, her vlog, all of that. I'll leave it below on Mel's channel. Who's now getting into it.
Dangerous obsession.
Totally, and someone needs to, I think they used to include earrings. They look great on you in the vlog.
You'd like them.
So we're going to head in here now. I have a few things I want to look at. Hopefully they'll let's vlog. Wow.
Hello, hi. I'm here to see Brittany.
Yes, that's me.
I'm Mel.
Nice to meet you, Mel.
This is my
Hi,
friend
Brittany. Hi, I'm Jerusha. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So yes, we've just come in to have a look at a few things.
Definitely.
Kindly arranged. So thank you.
We will have a look.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
Okay.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Let me get my list.
So guys, we are in COUTURE now.
Yeah.
And we are going to be checking out some goodies.
Some goodies.
I'll take you guys around.
This is going to be my main.
Private little salon for us.
How beautiful.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Brittany is the sales associate today taking care of us in COUTURE CHADSTONE, Melbourne. It's tricky. I'm looking at some watches for my delightful husband. And we've set these up to have a look at today.
So Jerusha can just narrate my vlog.
No way! You've got the best narration voice. I can't do it.
So the last time I did the vlog, I missed out on this, but this is the thin CHADSTONE, which I'm going to try on. And this is the beautiful diamond head one that Jerusha's going to try on. And this is the thin love bracelet. So let's...
Narrated by Mel.
Still got 2.
Okay, so Brittany has put this one on me, which is the thin, no.
The free love.
Free love. So we call it thin in the luxe, but really it's called free love in COUTURE language. And I was always attracted to this because I'm kind of claustro. I don't like the idea of being locked onto something that's gonna like sort of irritate me and I can't get it off, and this is much thinner. However, Brittany has bought me out a epic pave love. Oh wow, so you don't actually screw this on?
Because obviously it is, like you said, it's quite epic. It is.
Yes, totally.
It's. I guess it tends to be.
But do you get a screwdriver with that one?
You don't.
How funny, because you don't.
You don't need it. And it tends to be a creation that you want to wear, particularly for special occasions.
Absolutely.
So it has a little bit more of a...
I mean, this is just epic. This is like you trying on the $500,000 diamond
Oh yes.
the other day.
That's very special.
I can imagine.
Oh no, I'm in love because the stacking is just so beautiful.
Like the
My
little sister to the
goodness.
queen.
Oh my god. Okay, I feel the weight though.
You do, yeah.
I feel the weight.
But you've got to try it. I mean, with all diamonds, it's going to be
I know.
heavier.
I think that's what you want though, Sort of
The
the
weight.
luxury of it.
Oh, of course, with all the diamonds, sure. But I
don't
think,
know how when you see on Instagram when they have like 8.
oh my god, up
wrist.
close and stylish.
It's like a workout.
She's
Yeah.
so beautiful. Oh my
She's so
god,
beautiful,
she gets one every year she's married. I'm like, oh my god, girl, you're gonna be married for 20 years? Your hand's gonna be dragging on the ground. Gorgeous. Okay, so it goes down like a
Clips.
clip.
Yes, and then you squeeze underneath, and then it releases.
That's nice. I think I'm attracted to the hinge mechanisms.
Yes, you
a
like
lot.
that.
Well, I like.
Again, it will be too big. It will sit too low. And then these fit really quite neat together.
Oh my god.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Oh my god. That is out of this world.
To you can really create your own little story, but I think
This is
it
the
sits
biggest.
quite nice in the front because it's got the shape.
Even with this being bigger though.
I think so.
Okay, let's
we
just
can try.
Oh, look what we got, guys. Brittany brought back my ring, looking brand new. She did a polish clean on it. And then in here is my new little goodie. How exciting. Okay guys, we have finished
Shopping.
shopping.
And
our
quite a few
beautiful-
stores.
So many stores. So many stores. If you have not been to CHADSTONE Shopping Centre in Victoria, Melbourne, you need to come here. This is epic. This is the most luxury boutiques I have seen in one shopping centre ever. And I got to come and meet beautiful Mel in Melbourne. Of course, you follow her channel. I will link it below anyway. And I will link her vlog of our meetup below. I have had such a beautiful day.
As long as you've had a good day.
An
It's been
amazing
so good.
day. And
It's
she
been
met
so good.
Mum. Jules
Yes.
came
We had
and...
lunch together. We tried on all these beautiful goodies.
Oh my gosh.
Stay tuned for Jerusha's unboxing.
My unboxings, it's just been amazing. I gave her essays a little bit of a hard time, but that's what I do.
Yep.
That's what I do.
All
I gotta set them straight. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this vlog, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. If you love seeing Mel on my channel, please give us a thumbs up. I will see you in the next part of this vlog, however many parts there are. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Peace.